Hi friends. Today I am sharing simple, tech-free Christmas gift ideas for little kids. All cozy, all fun, under $20. We will look at sweet images and clips from Pexels.com. Number 1. Board books. Thick pages and bright pictures. Number 2. Washable crayons. Big, easy grips. Lots of colors. Number 3. Play-Doh. Soft and squishy. Roll it, pat it, make pretend cookies. Number 4. Wooden blocks. Stack them up, knock them down, build a little town. Number 5. Bubble wands. Big bubbles, small bubbles. Pop, pop, pop. Number 6. Finger puppets. Hello, tiny friends. Tell stories and giggle. Number 7. A small plush friend. Soft hugs, a sweet nap buddy. Number 8. Bath toys. Float, pour, splash. Bath time becomes playtime. Number 9. Coloring book. Gentle lines. Color inside or outside. Number 10. Sticker pack. Peel, stick, and smile. Practice little finger moves. Bonus. Sidewalk chalk for sunny days. Bonus. A simple wooden puzzle for quiet time. Bonus. A musical shaker or maraca for happy rhythms. Parents and caregivers, you can find many of these at local stores, dollar aisles, or online. Look for washable, non-toxic labels. Check age ranges. Gifts do not need screens to be special. A small, thoughtful present can mean big smiles. Time together is the best gift of all. See the description for links to images and videos from Pexels.com. Happy holidays, little friends, and happy gifting, grown-ups. Bye-bye.